Guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. This is Armando and this is Asher. So, medyo wala sa mood yung baby natin ngayon. So, haharanahin natin siya. Hello! So, kakanta tayo ngayon. Hello, say hi. Say hi. Two old friends meet again, wearing all their faces, talking about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again, and I have need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time you'll be loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Enjoy siya guys, just enjoy. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow something never changed, and even time has to cool the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. I got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time he will be loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. Someone kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time he will be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Yay! Woo! Enjoy ang baby. Wow! I enjoy. I love you. Say, I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.